two things, okay? Two important points. One is, if I'm holding and I step and sit, and my partner doesn't keep the headlock, then look what happens. I don't have to sit down. My goal is to escape the headlock, right? My goal is not to sit on the ground and roll the person over and take the arm lock. My goal is to escape the headlock. If, in the process of me doing this, he decides to let go, then I'm free. I'm out of the headlock, right? If I need to continue to fight, of course I follow, I can mount, I can do whatever I need to do. That's a separate issue. In this instance, though, it's very critical that my partner maintains the headlock for me. When he grabs, he doesn't have to grab so hard that he hurts my neck, but he wants to hold on firmly. He knows what the movement is, right? This movement exists because someone who's a lot bigger and stronger is holding us so tightly that we can't escape despite our efforts to do so through the other methods, right? Despite our efforts to do this and sit up tall and put the frame in, he keeps pulling. Despite our efforts to maybe guard ourselves and open the hands and step this way, he's too strong. We have to do this. We're forced, so make sure the partner does this for you. Use the momentum, thank you, with your legs stepping in to sit at the same time, right? Don't hold and then step and then sit. You want to hold, and when you make the decision to step, you're going to sit immediately when you step. As soon as your foot touches the ground, you sit. All right, there's where I end up. Now the hands must go out for base. Okay, makes sense? So we're going to try this without a partner. Another element you want to pay attention to is how to properly take the arm lock. Can you help me out? Once Eric headlocks me, let's go the other side. I hold the waist, right? And when I step inside and I sit and step over and put my hands up for base, knee behind the head, heel into the hip, frame. When I finally get him to release the arm, first I sit up tall, like this. Now the hand that's closest to the head, I just take his head and I push it out of the way. Just push it down. Use all your weight on this hand. Make this leg light. See, the leg is heavy. It's hard to get around. So put all your weight here. Make the leg light. There we go. Now you can just sit. Okay? Does it make sense? So two important elements. One is that you step and sit at the same time. Step and sit. Hands, knee, heel, frame. The second is once the frame is released, sit up and straighten the arm first. Hand goes on the head so that my leg becomes light. Now I can easily step over. Sit and finish. All right? Okay, let's go, guys.